Hi and welcome to the Woodworking Wisdom's Christmas Stocking Filler Guide. So what do we have? Tool care kit. Keeping your hand planes and chisels sharp is one thing. Stopping them going rusty and getting fingertip marks is another. So the kit has a Garaflex block so you can rub out basically those marks, the rust marks, the fingertip marks. Camellia oil, that helps protect it after. So the Japanese have used it for centuries to protect their samurai swords. They're always nice and shiny when you see them. That'll do the same to your hand planes and your chisels. The little bottle is an applicator, so it allows you to wipe the camellia oil in a nice thin layer. So that'll help anybody that's got hand tools and help protect them, make them last longer and look better long term. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for more stocking filler ideas from the Woodworking Wisdom team.